Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video to a Mailchimp email so you can increase your engagement, showcase your latest technical software tutorials, and deliver high-end studio content directly to your subscribers' inboxes in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open your campaign in the new builder. The first step is entering your design workspace. In 2026, Mailchimp's new builder is the professional standard because it handles video previews with a much higher studio quality than the legacy versions, ensuring your technical video scripts are presented perfectly. Log in to your Mailchimp dashboard, go to the Campaigns tab, and open your email draft. Click Edit Design to enter the builder. Make sure you are using the new Builder interface as it provides the most responsive way to embed your YouTube or Vimeo links for 2026 viewers. Locate and drag the video content block. To place your video within the email, you need to use a specific structural studio block designed to handle external media links. Look at the content block panel on the left side of your screen. Find the block labeled Video. It usually features a play button icon. Click and drag the video block onto your email canvas, dropping it exactly where you want your software tutorial to appear. In 2026, you cannot candidly embed a raw video file directly into an email due to file size limits. Using this technical block creates a high-res preview image that links to your hosted content, which is the professional standard. Next, insert your video URL. Now you need to link your studio content from your hosting platform so Mailchimp can generate the preview for your audience. Click on the video block you just dropped. A settings menu will open on the left. Paste your YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia URL into the source URL field. Mailchimp will automatically pull the thumbnail image and the play button overlay from the link you provide. By pulling data directly from your technical video's hosting site, Mailchimp ensures that your 2026 bookkeeping or market analysis footage is represented by the most up-to-date thumbnail, maintaining a high-end look. And that's pretty much it. To add a video in 2026, open the Mailchimp new builder and drag the video content block onto your canvas. Paste your YouTube or Vimeo URL into the settings to generate a preview. Customize your thumbnail and play button, and add alt text for accessibility. Use the preview tool to confirm your professional studio video is ready to engage your audience. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.